Let's go check this snow out, chat. Yeah, chat, it ain't that cold. It ain't that cold out here. We got some snow. Take a walk through the neighborhood. Chat, either I'm covered real good or it's kind of warm out here. Oh, you can see my breath though. Yeah, this the back streets. The main street, they might look better than this. If the back streets look like this, the main streets should be clear. Yeah, the sun coming out. Yeah, the back streets clear like this. The main streets really clear.